Hi everyone. My kid is really interested in a Mako, but those start at 119 and going up. I'm looking at the Vulp because it's supposed to be really good for a beginner, and that's at 65.
So what did we choose? Can you guess? Neither. This is a cheap Chinese Bally on Amazon. About $35. Made by BeFound. It's the only Bally that they have, but it is available in 3 different colors: black, blue, and red. Let's see how much it weighs. So is this a clone? Not exactly. Kind of looks like a Mako at a quick glance because of the shark head bottle opener. But when you come to the cutouts, it's completely different. And it has aluminum channel handles, but I think these are kind of generic handles that all the inexpensive Chinese ballad songs use. They just put different designs on here. This isn't very deep, you can barely feel it, so overall the knife is very smooth. My W8 Squiddy has more texture and more grip, but it's still good. Still working on my aerials. Let's see. Kind of getting my chaplains down. Like I said, kind of. Almost had a parabolic. Yeah, so 35 bucks. It's worth it. BeFound Bally. Thanks for watching.